it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my Get Your Happy On mini book project kit. So first we'll take a look at the completed project, then we will go ahead and look at the contents of the kit. As always, the Layle by Mail mini book project kits include all of the product that you need to put the project together, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour video where I am actually making the project together right along with you step by step. So let's go ahead and take a look. In this collection, or in this particular project, I am using the just super cute, whimsical, cheery Kid at Heart collection from Pebbles. And we're using the Simple Stories flip book as the base. So nice and chunky, lots of good kind of stuff going on in there. Just such a really good kind of generic, non-necessarily themey collection. Just kind of a great spot to capture just kind of your happy-go-lucky everyday photos. So right off the top on the bat, this is something I love to do with the flip books. We are going to cut out a little peekaboo, and then you have underneath that, there's that little snail sticker sits underneath. So as we get going, we have a number of pocket pages, and we've got a little bit of an interactive element going on there. Another interactive element, we have a very large kind of door here that gives us lots of room for photos and memorabilia. Another little interactive door there. So as you can see, the Kid at Heart collection is just nice and fun and whimsical, like I mentioned. We have a little pocket here with a couple of tags. Great color palette and really fun, cute icons. All the little icon stickers in this collection just make me smile. This is a little kind of interactive fold out, the simple things. Here we have another interactive room for photos and or journaling inside the pocket. Little cute banner page there. We have a double interactive kind of flip up pages there inside the pocket page. Isn't it just cute, the collection? I don't know, look, you've got a little pear holding flowers and a little dog holding flowers. This really is a great, this could be a great project for, a great finished project for anyone of all ages. So you could have kid photos in here, adult photos in here. It could be a fun retirement book that you could give to someone with just photos of their work history. There are so many different things that you could do with this. Another little pocket here. On the outside of the pocket page for adding additional photos or memorabilia. Cute little side pocket there with our little ladybug. I just love the color palette, and there's so many different things going on in the collection that I think that's what makes it work for so many different types of topics. Adhering things to the tops of the pocket pages there. Cute little waving frog. We have a little turtle with his house, and then kind of a little interactive door there. Cute little grasshoppers, and then of course the dancing fruit and the avocado. I think an avocado is a fruit, isn't it? I'm sure it's one of those, like a tomato's a fruit. I can't remember if an avocado is a fruit or not. Anyhow, then we open up there, have another little interactive element with our skating kitty cat, and there you have it. So that is the completed project, the 6x8 mini book. Now let's take a look at the contents of the kit so you can get a feel for what we're using to put all of that together. As I mentioned, the color step-by-step instructions, as well as the access to the video class where I put that together, the project together with you. A yard of baker's twine, some really fun kind of puffy dots in a great color palette, so works really well with the collection. You have the Kid at Heart icon ephemera, so you have 40 pieces there, and it's fun. These have some kind of little bit of an iridescent foil. Some of them have a little bit of an iridescent foil coating on the top, which makes them really fun. You have the 6x8 pad. Now, the Pebbles 6x8 pads are super chunky because they have 36 papers. You have 2 each of 18 different single-sided designs, which is just wonderful for giving you lots of different colors and patterns and different things to work with. And we use almost all of those in the project. You have the one-of-a-kind black thicker stickers. So we'll use these for titles throughout the project. You have the 6x12 stickers. So 2 6x12 sticker sheets, 49 stickers. A few of these stickers also have some of that kind of iridescent foil accent. You have a package of the Good Vibes foam stickers. So these are great for adding a lot of extra dimension. We actually have quite a few of those left over too, and we're done with the project. You have the flip book. So the Simple Stories flip books have 10 pocket pages, and you go from that very thin to something that is very nice and chunky. And what I love about the flip books is they will expand as much as you need them to. So you can see I have expanded version on the right, and then, you know, the flat version on the left. We'll go through a process where I'll show you how to add kind of a spine, and I prefer that look as opposed to kind of having an open spine, but that's something that you can decide if you want to do that or not. Then we have just two pretty simple 12 by 12 papers. So that is the Get Your Happy On mini book project kit. It is currently shipping now. And again, I have included a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.